Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya. Shri Bhagavan Vacha. Sannyasa karma yogascha. Nishreya sakara uho. Tayotu karma sannyasa. Karma yogo vishishyate. The blessed Lord said the renunciation of work and the work in devotion are both good for liberation. But of the two, work in devotion service is better than renunciation of works. This renunciation is actually second time Arjuna is asking this question. If you see the third chapter, again he asks this question. Fifth chapter, he is again asked this question. Vairagya. And in 18th chapter, again this question is there by Arjuna. Prabhupada gave very wonderful examples to explain this. जैसे कोई अगर आप ये सोचिए स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया के बाहर खड़ा होता है एंड क्या बोलता है मैं स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया को वैराग्य करता हूँ, तो उसको पागल खाना ले जाना पड़ेगा. क्यों? बैंक उसका कभी नहीं था. और या वो दूसरा चीज़ करे, वहाँ पहुँच के बोले क्या कि मेरे को ये सारा पैसा दे दो, आई एम द एंजॉय, तो क्या होगा? उसको जेल ले जाना पड़ेगा. तो एक्चुअली ये जो वैराग्य का सिस्टम लोगों को समझ नहीं आता. प्रभुपाद जी हमेशा बोलते थे क्या वैराग्य करना है, ये जो कुत्ते का जैसा दिमाग है ना, मेरे को दुनिया को एंजॉय करना है, इसको वैराग्य करना है. What you are going to renounce, you have to renounce the doggish mentality that you are the enjoyer. There is nothing else to renounce actually. ठीक है? So इस तरह we can understand. It's a very deep subject, but Prabhupada made it very simple to understand. Rupa Goswami is one of the great acharyas in our parampara. He gives a very beautiful 2 verses which solves it all. You see, many sampradayas are there. They are very confused on this. We have some people we know, they sit on a cave, क्या करते हैं, they do mourn, they don't talk for many days, and people talk, he is silent since 1 month, 6 months, and people say, wow, great achievement. And there are some people who don't wear clothes only, they walk naked on the road, and people worship them, and it's considered great renunciation. So, and say, sometimes they come to ISKCON temples, and our temples, those which built up are very opulent, and people say वहाँ भक्ति कुछ नहीं दिखता मेरे को, इतना पैसा लगाया हुआ है. And they goes to the extent also, some people say ये भूखों को क्यों नहीं खिलाते, some poor people you feed, what you spend so much money building temples, you all this kind of things again. And particularly when they see us using opulent things, like they see the laptop or they think इसमें कोई भक्ति नहीं है. उधर भक्ति उनको किसी गांव में जाके किसी हट में बैठ के उधर ही भक्ति दिखता है. So how to understand? This is solved by Rupa Goswami. We are all Rupanugas. Rupa Goswami is the Acharya of the Parampara, who established. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu says that Shri Chaitanya Manobishtam Stapitam Yena Bhutale. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ने पृथ्वी पे mission established कर दिया. I was telling you very nicely. It's a very nice statement. What it? Prabhupada says Rupa Goswami, he did it. क्या किया उसने? कर दिया. What did he do? He established a mission of Lord Chaitanya in this world. He did it. It's not ordinary. He accomplished that. True, he is a great devotee of the Lord, eternal servant of the Lord, but we can look for inspiration. Similarly, when we are engaging in devotional service, it's very important to understand this verse. Otherwise, we may also be on a wrong renunciation. What is right renunciation? What is wrong renunciation? Okay? Can we use all this? Laptop, recorder, is it allowed in spiritual life? It's not easy to solve. But Rupa Goswami solved it. What is the shloka? Anasakta sa vishayan. Asakti means some attachment. Without any attachment. Anasakta vishayan yatharam upayunjitaha. As much as it is needed, without attachment, use a thing in Krishna's service. Nirbandhe, you will not be bound. Koi bandhan nahi aayega. Krishna sambandhe, because you are using for Krishna's service. Then, yukta vairagya uchyate. This is proper renunciation. And we are doing that. At least we are trying to do that. We cannot say we are perfectly, transparently engaging everything in Krishna's service. Just like when you go to preach Krishna consciousness, many times people offer some respect. Okay? You cannot say, no, see, I am not a pure devotee. It will come. When you are preaching Krishna consciousness, people will respect you. At the same time, we know when you are pure, you are transparent. And the respect straight goes to Krishna. You offer to your spiritual master, goes to Krishna. But we are not, we are trying to do, and Lord Chaitanya will protect us. So this is a very important verse. So anything can be used. Our goal is to propagate Krishna consciousness. Intelligent person can use anything. In fact, Srila Prabhupada says that is the difference between me and my God brothers. They have no intelligence how to establish Krishna consciousness. Correct? In fact, Prabhupada started quite late compared to his God brother. They were all sannyasis and preaching for a long time, comparatively. And within 12 years, Prabhupada created, they could not believe what happened in front of them. The same person who was a grahastha took sannyas and the mission, he is just 1,000 times bigger than all of them together in no time. Why? He applied the principle of Yukta Vairagya very intelligently. People can give, standard commentaries, just like it is said, some people say, you cannot go to Sasamundar Par. And if you do that, in many spiritual organizations, you will be excommunicated. You will not be allowed to do anything. Ye to bhrasht ho gaya abhi. Isko nahi jane ka. Correct? They say like that. No, it is not true. We have to see the essence. Therefore, Acharyas understand the essence of the law. The essence is, yes, within the Bharat Bhumi, there are some samskaras, some rules, regulations are there. It is called Tapo Bhumi. Outside, it is considered Bhoga Bhumi. Generally, people are very materialistic. They have no idea about soul का तो idea नहीं है कहीं पे भी अभी तक नहीं है वो बात की तो भूल जाओ generally in any culture or society no they don't know what is Atma आगे क्या बात करोगे भगवान तो भूल जाओ so there is very limited information available and mostly society is heavily materialistic and meat eating drinking all this is part of life and everybody does it so in this atmosphere it is dangerous that's all. But if somebody is applying this principle, anasakta is vishayan, he is not getting attached. Yatharam upayunjitaha, as much as possible engaging. And then nirbandhe Krishna, without getting attached, without getting bonded to the atmosphere. Just like a doctor when he goes to do surgery or he goes to a place where there is epidemic, he doesn't get infected. You see, catch fish without getting wet. So you should not get entangled. But that was the essence. If you know the essence, you can apply. Correct? Had Prabhupada not taken the risk and gone, what would this movement would have been there only? It would not have started. He had one disciple, it would have been two, maybe three. It would have full stop there. No. Prabhupada wanted to re-spiritualize the whole world. He was with that mission, not this chota-mota mission. Then Rupa Goswami continues and says something is called Falgu Vairagya. Okay? Then we analyze more. What is the Falgu Vairagya? Prapanchikataya buddhya. You are looking things as material. Hari sambandhi vastunaha. I can use it for Krishna. I can use this remote for Krishna. I am seeing it as material. It is not material now because it can be engaged in Krishna's service. Prapanchikataya buddhya hari sambandhi vastunaha. Mumukshu bhi parityago. Nahi chahiye. I am mumukshu. I am looking for liberation, but I can use something for Krishna's service and I am not using. What is it called? Falgu Vairagya Uchyate. Bogus renunciation. Correct? I can use something. Now if I have to go from here, say to Bangalore, and we have to give a class tomorrow, पैदल जाना जाओ, एक महीने बाद पहुंचोगे. You can try. It's how many kilometers? Some 300 kilometers. Every day you walk 25 kilometers, 12 days and some rest मिला मुलो के 15-20 दिन में पहुंचोगे. How will you do your work? If these facilities were not used, how you think Krishna consciousness would have spread all around the world? It was not been possible. In fact, something even deeper, which I explained previously, but it adds here, 500 years ago, when Chaitanya Mahaprabhu ordered that this mission should go to every town and village, people, लोगों ने सोचा है मजाक है. बहुत लोग जो भक्त थे वो नहीं, वो तो कोशिश किए, 500 साल तक कोशिश किए उसको सफल करने का, सफल किया. लेकिन लोग सोचे क्या बोल रहे हैं, एक एक गांव में जाएगा. शायद बंगाल का बात कर रहे होंगे. मैनी पीपल नॉट इवन थॉट इंडिया, बंगाल की बात हो रही है शायद. हाँ, बंगाल को ही विश्व बोला होगा. दे थॉट मे बी इट इज सिम्बॉलिक. कभी कभी होता है ना, जरा इन भाव में जरा बड़ा बोल देते हैं लोग. विश्व मतलब बंगाल, बंगाल उतना है. एंड देन and there were no means to travel. There was no aeroplane 500 years ago. Was there any aeroplane available? No, there were no mobiles, there was no computer, no means of communication, no means of travel at all. 500 प्रिंटिंग तक नहीं था, किताबें हाथ से लिखी जाती थी, तुम कैसे स्प्रेड करोगे? सो एक्चुअली एक साइड भगवान ने क्या किया, व्हाट हैज कृष्णा डन, उन्होंने जो भोगी लोग हैं, जो राक्षस लोग हैं, उनको उनकी राक्षसी प्रवृत्ति पूर्ण करने के लिए वो क्या कहते हैं, उग्र कर्म करो. ऐसे उग्र कर्म से ही बनाएगा, शांति से एक चीज़ नहीं बनाएगी. उग्र कर्म मतलब 20 घंटे गधों की तरह काम करो. लेकिन उनकी इच्छा ही ऐसी है, एक तरफ उनकी इच्छा भी पूर्ण कर दी. बिकॉज फाइनली इट इज़ ऑल, एवरीबडी इज पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ कृष्णा. अगर यहाँ नहीं पूर्ण करने को तो कहाँ करेंगे? If not in the material world, Krishna will satisfy our desire. Where he will satisfy? Spiritual world में तो ऐसे desires के तो मतलब ही नहीं है. There is no need. There is no material, no limitation in the spiritual world. You can know everything. There is no need of all this means. But in material world, where Baddha Jivas are there, Krishna engaged them. None of them made laptop so that we can read Bhagavad Gita today. Nobody made. They made laptop for some funny thing. They made printer for something other funny. They made mobile for something other funny. Correct? To talk nonsense, to gossip. Anybody made mobile so we can talk about Krishna? No. They made for all gossiping only. Correct? Actually, if you see all the industries, all the research are funded by industry. Most of the projects in colleges are funded by industry. Pure science में ना तो कोई student जाता है, ना उसको कोई job मिलता है. ठीक है? It's always funded. They are paid for the research. They need. So a lot of money is put, but they do not know for what purpose it should be used. You look at the advertisements. Do they show people are having mobile? They are chanting Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Not even an idea. They didn't create for all this thing, to be honest. Correct? But then Krishna is very clever. These things are now available for us to use, to propagate. We are able to, therefore, we can fulfill the prophecy of Lord Chaitanya by using this without hesitation. We should not feel anything shy. With full enthusiasm, anything we should use. But the principle we should not forget. What anasakta is sufficient. Don't get attached. Now you are using mobile to glorify Krishna. कल mobile नहीं है. अब मैं जप नहीं कर पा रहा. अरे ये क्या हो गया तुमको? Why you got attached to the mobile? होता है. People get attached. I had a mobile just to spread Krishna consciousness. But suppose you go to some places, suppose some remote place where there is no use of mobile. So why you are carrying a mobile? For what purpose? जैसे सिग्नल ही नहीं है ऐसी जगह, सपोज गए हैं और वहाँ आप तीर्थ में गए हैं, आप मोबाइल को क्यों ले जा रहे हो? But somehow what happens is that we get attached. That is not good. Then this will not help you. That facility will destroy your spiritual life. There should not be any attachment. In fact, in Kali Yuga, one of the places the Maya resides is where a lot of money is there. Correct? That is one of the places Maya resides. So therefore, Prabhupada said, in fact, Prabhupada Guru gave this hint. Prabhupada Guru had built a temple in Calcutta called Bagh Bazaar. There was one disciple of Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada who was quite rich Marwadi. So he offered to Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada, can I build a big temple for you? He said, okay. He said, this will be your headquarters. I'll make it so big. He made a beautiful temple in Calcutta, right in the heart. When the temple was made, the sannyasis started fighting for rooms. Bhaktivinoda Prabhupada got so upset. He said, in my presence this is happening. When I go, he just saw, he's a great acharya, when I go, Agni Hoive, Italy, my whole movement is gone. He called Prabhupada one day when he was in Radhakund. Prabhupada had gone to meet him. So he said, if you ever get money, print books. My desire is now to take all that marble out of the temple and print books. Sell it and print books. Why? Try to understand this now. Because opulence without Sankirtana, Kali Purusha will dance. Kali Purusha dances in 5 places. 4 places आपको मालूम है. क्या जगह क्या है 4 place? Dyutam Panam Striyam Shuna. Where there is gambling, where there is intoxication, where there is illicit sex, where there is meat. ये 4 चीज़ किसी इंडिविजुअल, किसी घर में, यानी समाज में घुस गया, कलयुग का तांडव शुरू हो जाएगा, सब नष्ट हो जाएगा. एक और जगह है, वो भूल गए, where opulence is there. When Kali Purusha asked for the place, he said, go to this place. Kali Purusha ने बोला, मैं तो पूरा पृथ्वी ढूंढ लिया, एक जगह ऐसी नहीं है, यहाँ 4 चीज उपलब्ध है. That is a good ruler. Correct? Not available, sir. Not available. Nowhere it is available. Where do I go? He said, okay, go where too much money is there. Okay? So money is not a problem. But if you don't have Sankirtana there, then you are gone. So we build opulent temples, but you don't have enough Sankirtana, means enough effort to preach Krishna consciousness. It should not become a joint mess. Moment it becomes a joint mess, you are finished. Temple is not a joint mess. Correct? The place where the whole focus is to preach Krishna consciousness. Then what will happen? The Kali Purusha the Sankirtana will cut the effect of Kali Purusha. Correct? So when you are using all the opulence, therefore also we should use according to the capacity, and Krishna is the one doing that. According to one's capacity, Krishna gives him the opulence. Because Krishna is very worried. If I give him more, he will become asakta. He will not be anasakta. Because in his heart, desire for opulence is there. Krishna holds. Because your mind will go crazy. Anasakta savishaya. Don't get attached. Without attachment, you can use anything. Correct? But it is not easy to say. So according to our capacity, we can convert matter to spirit. According to capacity, we can, if you are very pure, you can convert the whole world to Krishna consciousness. Everything you can engage in Krishna's service. But it depends on capacity. Just like when Haridas Thakur, the famous example, the dead on a knife, the prostitute came. He just sat there because he was ready to convert her also into devotee. But us, we cannot imitate that. It is not possible for us. What we should do, we should have run away from it. It is beyond my capacity to convert this entity to Krishna consciousness, this situation to Krishna consciousness. So we behave according to our capacity. Now, then another thing Prabhupada says in this purport is that Krishna consciousness is the direct process because it itself purifying. Karma sannyasa is banned in Kali Yuga. Somebody thinks, I'll go to the forest, ye duniya, samsar, sab maya hai, and I will sit down, I will do some meditation. You will fail 100% certainly. Karma sannyasa is not, in fact, 5 things banned for Kali Yuga, karma sannyasa is one of that. But sannyasa for engaging in Krishna's service is allowed in Kali Yuga, but not karma sannyasa. It will be failure. And it is not failure, it is failure. You can see so many people. Then Vrindavan, they come, they sit down as Babajis. And Prabhupada said, mostly addicted to, they're all neophytes. But people get very impressed. People like all this kind of gymnastics. I remember once, long time ago, some election was there, and there was on Babaji used to sit on some, machan, on banks of Ganges or somewhere. All politicians used to go to him and he used to take his foot and put on their head. And what is he doing? He's just sitting on the machan. So people generally get attracted to those adambaras, they'll have big shikha and, and they all smoke ganja without exception, generally. I'm not saying every, but as far as I saw, mostly. Bidi, ganja, and what is their renunciation? Correct? He is not Brahma Bhuta, he is cigarette Bhuta, he is ganja Bhuta. Kedar hai Brahma Bhuta aapka? Where you come to Krishna consciousness. So it is not possible. Prabhupada says you may externally renounce and privately maintain still attachment to these things, then you are called mithyachari sauchite. You are a hypocrite then. That is not very auspicious, that is not very honorable. So our effort should be very clear. What is our effort? Our effort is to engage everything we see in this world in Krishna's service without attachment and not getting bound. That is the way. And when we are in Krishna consciousness engaged like that itself, the act is a very purifying process. Many people say, I am not body, I am soul. But the Prabhupada says we have to act on this knowledge. Just this knowledge, I am not body is not going to help you. You will fall down on that. Okay? We understand I am not the body, I am spirit, soul. लेकिन आपको उस पे act करना पड़ेगा. What is the action on that? devotion service. And how does the devotion service happen? We engage things in Krishna service, okay? Including body, mind, everything. And as we engage in Krishna service, then it becomes very, very auspicious. In fact, to practice spiritual life, many people go to the forest. जैसे शहर में तो बहुत माया है, देखो तरह तरह की चीज़ें हैं शहर में, करेक्ट? सिनेमा हॉल है, दारू के अड्डे हैं, और लोग भोग करते हुए चारों तरफ दिखते हैं. तो मैनी पीपल थिंक स्पिरिचुअल लाइफ मीन्स मैं जंगल जा रहा हूँ. जाओ, ये मन तो आएगा ना साथ, ये थोड़ी छोड़ेगा आपको. It will not help you. The same mind will come. So therefore, better stay in the city and engage the mind in Krishna's service. Engage the mind. When you engage the mind in Krishna's service, and when you engage your mind, body, words, everything in glorification of the Lord, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu will protect you. Nothing will happen. That's the mercy of Lord Chaitanya. Correct? If you say, I want to participate in the mission of Lord Chaitanya, Prithvi che yatvache nagoradi gram, sarvatra prachar hoiva mora naam. Lord Chaitanya said, every town and village, the name of the Lord will go. He has predicted. Now you say, I will fulfill this. He will protect you now. It is His mercy you will be protected. Otherwise, you are surrounded. Correct. Definitely it looks like forest is a much more peaceful place, no? कोई माया नहीं, कुछ नहीं, करेक्ट? कोई भोगी नहीं, कुछ नहीं, बस ये पेड़ है, नदी है, झरना है, बैठे रहो शांति से. ऐसा ही बहुत लोगों को लगता है. Many people feel that is we get attracted to that kind. Even when you go to Vrindavan and see Babaji life and all, we get very attracted. Prabhupada says, I am so grateful to my spiritual master who told me all these Babajis are neophytes. And actually it's true. They are just neophytes in spiritual life. What are they doing? Correct? That's what they say Bhajananandi and Goshtanandi. There are two kind of devotees. Bhajananandi means apne hi bhajan karte rehte hain. That is possible in very advanced situation, where person has so much taste, like Haridas Thakur, he can sit and chant every day. But generally it is not possible. Neither Bhaksanda Prabhupada, not Prabhupada gave Babaji Diksha to anybody. Because they know it is waste. People cannot do. Okay? So, whatever pravritti we have, we engage that. We have some ability, some capacity. We engage that in Krishna's service. And by that kind of an absorption, the mind becomes gradually purified. To think of some karma sannyasa, मैं सब बहुत लोग है ना, समाज में बहुत काम में फंसे हुए, सब छोड़ के मैं चला जाऊंगा जंगल. This is bogus in Kali Yuga. It will not work. Rather they come back and again, तो भोग त्याग की साइकिल में फंसे रहते हैं. भोग त्याग साइकिल, like a pendulum. भोग किया, भोग is always frustrating, बकवास है, त्याग में चले गए. जैसे पूरा वीकेंड में दारू पिया, उसका तो उल्टी किया, नहीं पीऊंगा मैं फिर से, त्याग में चले गए. फिर वीकेंड आया, फिर उसमें चले गए. ऐसे लोग जनरली मैंगलोर में तो 90% लोग ऐसे ही हैं. सूट बन के कार में ऐसे बड़ा बड़ा की तरह घूमते हैं, असली बंदरों की तरह. करेक्ट? ड्रिंकिंग, वोमिटिंग, ऑल पार्ट ऑफ द लाइफ. सो सैड इट इज एक्चुअली. वाई? भोगा त्यागा पेंडुलम में फंसे हुए. दे डू नॉट नो how to, in my weekends, I can engage. I was just telling, in Gulf, there are so heavy people with families are doing such, some of the cities where there is open, opportunities, not all the cities, so enthusiastic preaching, all family people. Whole weekend, 1.5 day or 2.5 day, depending on what job they have, they get weekend. So enthusiastically they are preaching. Correct? If you can that way engage, you are so happy and blissful. Then whole life becomes very, very sweet. Srila Prabhupada ki, Bhagavad Gita ki.